Hello, in this video I will talk about what transformations are in geometry and how they affect other disciplines. To start this video off, what are transformations? A transformation is a function that changes the position or direction in a plane. There are four types of transformations: a translation, a rotation, a reflection, and a dilation. The first is called a translation. A translation is simply just a transformation that moves all the points in an object a certain distance or direction. This can be someone moving a shape on a grid 4 units to the left or 5 units up. The second type of transformation is called rotation. A rotation is when you rotate a shape around a certain or fixed point. The third type of transformation is called reflection. This is when you reflect a shape about a certain line or on a grid, the x or y axis. This last type is called dilation. A dilation is when you resize a shape by a certain scale factor. If the scale factor is greater than 1, the shape will enlarge. If the scale factor is less than 1, the shape will decrease in size. With these concepts in mind, we can relate these transformations to the real-life world. For example, many animators for cartoons or video games use a translation. We may not think about this, but motion is a form of translating in that something is moving from one place to another. Graphic animators need to be careful to make the characters or the object move in a realistic pattern. Another case of how the concept of transformations can be applied in another discipline is in the area of the auto mechanic industry. For instance, a rotation is useful in mechanics so the individual knows how much a motor needs to be or should be rotated around a given point or object. In this area, the individual also needs to understand the concept of reflection in order to produce accurate designs that establish visual continuity and structural balance, such as in mirrors and glass panels. In another instance, where the concept of transformations can be applied in another discipline is in cartography. A cartographer is a person who draws or produces maps. In this case, the concept of dilation is an important key to cartographers, especially because cartographers need to be careful to shrink geography down to make maps that are accurate and precise. Finally, the main industry that works with the most transformations are construction workers and designers. Individuals in these types of careers must know how to use measurements and transformations properly in order to create functionable and accurate homes and decor. As we can see, the concept of transformations is not only one that is unique to geometry, but one that is utilized and necessary across many disciplines and industries.